As a campfire chief, I have the right up any presentation that would desecrate political figure, religious organizations, and ban any absence of indecent word. By the power vested in me, I hereby appoint you as the MC of tonight's campfire.
Okay, tonight we will be witnessing the different presentations by Patrol. We will start now the boys.
Medyo na musiga na lang ba?
Gani.
The Quakers. Okay, mga bata, ikaw man pulang sa torch, balik sa circle.